Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Peter, join us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, Daddy. Congrats.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Your Excellency.
Thank you so much.
This is your first visit to the President after your victory
Yes.
at the gubernatorial election.
Yes.
Does this have anything to do with your victory?
Well, it has a lot to do with it. It's not actually my victory. It's Mr. President's victory. You know, I represent him in Ekiti State, and what has happened as a result of the election is just a vote of confidence in his leadership and an expression of appreciation by Ekiti people to Mr. President. So I came to present the certificate of return to him and to express the gratitude and appreciation of Ekiti people to Mr. President. So this is a foretell of what to expect in January.
Okay, you have already mentioned it. I was going to ask you what indication are we having from this election going into the general elections in 2026?
Well, there's a precedent to follow. In 2022, we won the election with 187,000. That was the governorship election. The presidential election that came after, we won with 210,000. And now we're in 2026. We have won the governorship with 319,000. So if you extrapolate, by January next year, we are looking at 700,000, by God's grace.
Okay, what should the people of Ekiti State be expecting from you in this your second term?
Well, there's a saying that the reward for hard work is more work. We continue to serve them diligently. All those things we have done that made this party to be acceptable to them and attractive, we continue to do it.
Okay, you won a record of being the first person to be re-elected in that state.
Yeah.
What do you think really worked for you?
Well, two things. I don't know if you will believe in grace of God. That's number one. Two, support of the president. That's all. Those are the two factors responsible for this. Okay. And we set ourselves a target that we will win in all these 16 local government we did and in all the wards in the state.
Not related to your style of governance?
Well, the style is a product of Mr. President's leadership. It's all about him and God.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.